Hello guys, and welcome to another short tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Pepe coin in the US. So let's say you're interested in buying the Pepe coin, as I had just mentioned. We're simply going to be opening up our browser. We're going to be using coinmarketcap.com, link in the description. So once we're on coinmarketcap.com, we're going to search for Pepe coin. As you can see here, we're looking at Pepe. And by simply scrolling down till we find its markets, both the sports, perpetual futures, the centralized exchange, and the decentralized exchange. And we'll be making use of the decentralized exchange. Uniswap version 2 is one of the best ways to get your Pepe token, though the exchange rates and the rest are really high. And like I said, it's one of the best ways to get the Pepe token. You simply open up your MetaMask, make sure you're on the Ethereum main network. As you can see here, once you click at the top where it says wallets, it shows all the smart chain, blockchains, all those chains. And you simply click on Ethereum main network, where we make use of the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once we've clicked on that, you simply scroll till you see the browser, where you click on the browser and use the search icon at the bottom of the screen, which once you've done that, you simply search for Uniswap. You click on uniswap.exchange and the site opens up, and you simply paste in the contract address of the Pepe coin, or you search its name, and let's see, Pepe. You click on Pepe and you enter the amount of Ethereum you're willing to trade for that Pepe token. I'm going with $2 worth of it, which is equivalent to 588,000 Pepe. Where you click on swap, take note of the gas fee. It was $31.27. As you know, the Pepe coin has increased in liquidity. It's been pumped. So you accept the price update and you click on confirm swap, waiting for confirmation. The smart contract call pulls in, and it's a total of $57. But if you do possess such amount of money, you could then click on confirm and purchase your Pepe. So guys, you could as well make use of PancakeSwap version 3, OpenSea, TinyMan. But still, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Pepe coin in the US, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.